Hi there, it's Jessie. I'm so thrilled you found this video because that means you want to learn how to do natural, non-toxic stuff from home, DIYs, all the things using essential oils, doTERRA essential oils, I must say. So we are going to learn in this video how to make Owie spray. Owie spray is something that we use on everything. If you think back to, what's the movie? The movie My Big Fat Greek Wedding. Remember how the guy, he sprays Windex on everything? Don't spray Windex on everything, guys. Spray Owie spray on everything. It works so well. I mean, just like the name shares, you spray it on Owies. I love doing it in spray form versus a roller ball or something like that, because spraying on an Owie is going to be a lot easier than trying to touch it and rub it in with the roller ball. So when you've got an Owie, spray on this Owie spray. And you're going to be blown away with how quickly your wounds heal really fast. You don't get, can I say this on YouTube? I don't know. It doesn't get all festery and gross and icky, because the oils that we're going to use in this Owie spray are going to help prevent that from happening. It's going to help with the healing, the scarring, the soothing, the calming. So you're like, what oils do I need? You need doTERRA, lavender, tea tree, and frankincense. Those 3 oils, and you're going to just get sprayed on Owies. And I'm going to show you how to make it right now. But also, I just want to throw out there, think about other things that are Owies that doesn't involve getting in a bike crash, but think about maybe you're out in the sun too much and you got a sunburn. Use Owie spray. Back when our kids wore diapers, if they had a little bit of diaper rash, we used Owie spray. It's just like the Windex, but with Owie spray. Spray it on stuff and you're gonna love it. Love it, love it, love it. So Owie spray, this is a 1 ounce bottle, I believe. We got a spray bottle on top. One of the things I like to do with labels, because my kids, if they see a label, often they pick it, or just with oils too, sometimes it's just over time, not just to always blame my children, the sticker, the label, it's gonna just come off. So what I'll do to prolong it is I will write, can you see, it might be flipped, but it says Owie. But then I used masking tape to cover over it so that it just preserves it a little bit longer, because sometimes I'll end up with a roller ball or a spray bottle and the label's off. I'm like, I don't know what this is. And I'm getting pretty good at being able to open a bottle and smell and tell what it is, but I'm not always 100% accurate. So there's my tip for you. So Owie spray, you want to fill first your Owie spray with fractionated coconut oil. And I need to do this down on the counter. I like using a pump on my fractionated coconut oil because it's just less mess. My tip for you is keep checking to make sure, and we're gonna put about 30 drops total of essential oil, so it's not gonna take up a ton of room. Remember, doTERRA, a little goes a long way. But I always like putting in the fractionated coconut oil first and leave a little bit of room. Can you see with the water level or the fractionated coconut oil level? It's right about here. And then I'm going to put in 10 drops each of frankincense, lavender, and tea tree. If you were to, you just gotta watch it. You don't want it to overfill, because it's just heartbreaking when your bottle overflows and you have something like frankincense in that bottle, with any of your oils, but frankincense is a spendy oil. You don't want it to overflow. So that's why I like to do the fractionated coconut oil first. Then I add in my essential oils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's give or take. It doesn't have to be like exact. If you get a few more, because see, tea tree came out faster and I forgot to count, so I think that's about 10 drops. Then lavender, whoopsies. Dropped in oil. Okay, 10 drops of lavender. I think that's about 10. There we go. Okay, put your spray lid on. I don't shake it up, but I just roll it around, and then keep it in your bathroom. Take it with you on trips. Keep it in your kids' bedrooms. Just keep bottles of Owie spray everywhere. Because remember, spray it whenever you have an Owie or anything of the sort, just like you would Windex from My Big Fat Greek Wedding. I hope you found this tip helpful. Make yourself some Owie spray. If you don't have someone you're working with in doTERRA and you're ready to get started on this natural journey and you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils and you're ready to learn more, you're ready to purchase your oils, if you're not working with someone, I would love to be that person for you. It would be a great honor. I love my job and I love that I get to do this from home, and I get to be home with my kids and I get to educate people. So my contact information, it's in the show notes. If you need to reach out to me, I would be happy to help. Every Thursday, I have a new video I release. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I would be just forever grateful. And I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.